Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make to the restore to the previous version in Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and after that you have to simply open up the file Chrome. Then there you have to simply type in www.canva.com, and then you have to simply put in your login credentials there, and after that there you will get to see after you log into your account you have to open up your design. Then you have to, after opening up, you have to click on the file option from there, and then here we will get the option of settings option from here and the accessibility option as well. So what you need to do is simply go to the version history from here in the below. Simply click on it, and here you can see the version history is already showing here, and you can just simply click on it, and here you can see the restore option is already showing. Simply click on the restore, and it will simply restore to the previous version easily. Make sure that the version history is only for the premium or the Canva Pro. So it's as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.